So welcome back to the channel. I found this on the Facebook Marketplace for $100, and it is a lot of rust on it on the bottom. But the awesome thing is that it runs. It is a 240 volt, and I have put one of these in here from my the Mega thing, so just kind of show you. A whole lot of power for sure. I'm really excited about this. As you can see, there's a lot of rust on it. This thing was left underneath a shed, like a lean-to, but was exposed to humidity and all that good stuff. So what we're going to do is just kind of restore it the best we can. We'll start by taking off everything and cleaning up all the bars, and go ahead and clean up the top. We'll probably maybe take this apart and throw it in some rust thing, or we might just sand it. I'm not sure what to do. This thing is a micro adjustment, I think, and it is just locked in there tight, so we might have to put some JV blast in there and stuff like that. So here we go. Alright, just watched a little bit of that time lapse there. I was going to take off this whole top and try to get to this stuff, but the whole thing is attached to underneath here, so it was kind of all dropping out in the water. And then there was this thing. I was just scared I was going to break something. All I really need to do is get to the this piece right here that makes it go up and down, and I think I can fix that from here. So we're going to go ahead and try to attempt that, and if not, I will take the whole thing apart. But I was just getting nervous about being able to get everything back together by myself. This thing is heavy. It's a 2 horsepower motor, and I guess I get to take that out, it would be a lot better, but we'll see. I think I can get to a lot of this stuff and fix what I need to fix from here, so we'll go ahead and put it back on time lapse and go from there.